The accessible font is a master thesis study. Actually, accessible font has an interesting story, but in short, we can explain the process. It was challenging to prove our hypothesis with existing literature. Because we were investigating to make a typeface for autistic individuals, but general literature emphasised that individuals with autism don't have decoding problems and they have a hyperlexia reading profile. It means that they decode and learn to read better than other individuals. When we made a detailed literature review, we found few studies. These studies showed that there is a poor word reading subgroup in individuals with autism, and this subgroup does not characterise with dyslexia. It characterises with a delayed impairment reading profile. These few studies were not enough to support our hypothesis. Therefore, we made a survey study with experts in education of individuals with autism to learn what their problems in the reading, which kind of difficulties they had, and what kind of components we have to use in typeface design. After this research process, we created our typeface based on literature study, interviews, and survey studies, but we designed the typeface not just for autism, but for learning disabilities. Accessible typeface structure is legible, open counter large X high, open terminal, and large dots with spaces between letters. Accessible typeface consists of 5 different versions and set combinations. These are what makes the accessible font unique. If we take a closer look, we can see the differences between each version. These versions and set combinations are made based on special teachers' opinions. Accessible typeface supports more than 200 Latin-based languages with extended characters. It has 3,600 glyphs that ensure to meet the different individuals' problems in reading education and misreading problems. The teacher can choose different versions according to students' individuals' problems on letter forms. Version 1 and 5 are developed for long body text like children's books or articles on the internet. Versions 2, 3 and 4 have been developed specifically for word-based reading and learning phonics. It can be used with a PEC system. These different versions are made according to several difficulties in reading that makes our typeface accessible for everyone. These fonts and sets ensure to make differences by teachers on the typeface according to the individual's difficulties in learning to read.